All right, y'all. Why everybody was worried about a particular sneaker, and rightfully so. Everybody was worried about the undefeated fours. Nike decided to do what they always do in the month of August, which is give us a whole bunch of Kobe's, right? And I was like, you know what? I'm not going to be distracted. Y'all was distracted. I had my eyes and ears to the streets, and I was ready for this release. Y'all ain't too much feeling these, but nonetheless, we going to talk about them, man. Today, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Kobe 4 Protro FC Barcelona things, man. Yes, sir. I like these. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and I have today another review for you guys. But before we talk about this sneaker that was extremely limited, but extremely available and affordable, which those things normally don't coexist together, you feel me? Normally, it's the complete opposite of that. But we're going to be talking about a sneaker that you guys just ain't feeling, but for those of you that have seen this thumbnail, you come across this video, maybe you're on the fence about purchasing this sneaker. Maybe I can help you guys decide if that's something that you want to do or not. But before we get off into this detailed look, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. We are on our race to 40,000 subscribers, man. I can't do none of this without each and every one of y'all. I do this because of y'all, so make sure you hit that like button, share the video, comment down below, and also hit the link down below. It is my Discord. Something new I'm trying out. Let's see what we can get going with this thing, but it's going to be, you know, early reviews, stuff like that, raffle links, giveaways, all that great stuff is going to be in the Discord. Make sure you guys go and hit that link. But let's go ahead and talk about this sneaker. Let's go. All right, so like I said, this sneaker dropped, I think it was July 30th, right before the 31st, right before the Undefeated Fours dropped, and a lot of people was not messing with this thing. They wasn't even thinking about this sneaker because we were so focused, man. But I didn't let Nike and Jordan brand distract me. You feel what I'm saying? I was focused. So it ended up dropping, and I think they only dropped around like 14,000 pairs of these things. And yeah, man, I feel like they're fire. So I'm going to give you guys a in-depth, detailed look at these things. And like I said, they're affordable, man. But for those of you that don't know the meaning behind this sneaker, Kobe, as you guys can see on the screen, he is wearing a Barcelona soccer jersey. He was huge into the Barcelona football or soccer sport. And Nike's just doing what they always do. They paying homage to what Kobe likes. And it doesn't matter. Kobe could pick his nose and the booger could be hanging out. We're going to have the Kobe Booger Protro 6s that drop. Nike is capitalizing on anything they can when it comes to Kobe. So this one falls in line. But let's go ahead and start with this box. So this is going to be the typical box that we've been getting all 2025. It's going to be an all black Kobe box, reptilian skin, as you guys can see. You got that Mamba signature right there. On the size tag, you do read right there, it's going to be a size 12. For all of my Kobe's, I go up half a size, so it's going to be a size 12. If you need to legit check your pair, go ahead and pause the video. You do have Nike branding on there as well. As you open up this box, nothing on the interior top of the label of the box. And then we have black Mamba, black and gold Mamba paper that got a little bit of reptilian skin on there. And then it's gonna have white paper as well. And that is going to be it for that box. Let's talk about these sneakers. So again, as I stated, this is gonna be a Kobe 4, and they did a very good job, like they always do, paying homage to whatever the theme of the sneaker is going to be. So we have a predominantly like khaki cream color sneaker. You have your black and purple Nike swoosh right there. It is predominantly a shiny upper, but as you guys can see, a little bit of details right across the sock collar right there. You do have reptilian skin going into a purple sock liner. Out of the gate, as you guys can see behind the tongue, you're gonna have the FCB, that's the Barcelona logo. As you guys see right there on the back end of the sneaker, each one of them will have Kobe number. You're gonna have this one right here is gonna have the number 24. And then I believe this is going to be your right one. It's going to have the number 8. So you put them together, 8 and 24. So again, paying homage to his jersey numbers. As we continue on, we have right here, we Kobe signature on the back end. On the smoke gray mud guard on the back, as you guys can see right here. It's kind of like a shiny carbon fiber, smooth smoke gray color. And the booty does look really nice on this sneaker. But as you go on the inner side of the shoe, we're going to have that black swoosh, same exact thing as the outer side. You have hints of purple right here, like a light purple right here. And then you do have, as we go along the toe box, the leather this is leather. It's pretty good leather, stiff leather. And then you do have the reptilian skin going across the front end of the toe box. and it's gonna go all the way around into the laces. Cool addition, I love that. We do have the FCB, the logo right there on the laces, on the bottom of the laces. And you go into these cream laces and you have the Mamba logo on the tongue in that purple colorway. Same thing on the other sneaker. You get an extra set of laces right here in a Nike bag right there. It's gonna be the purple laces. Then as we go across the bottom of these things, you do have a translucent in solid black bottom on here, a Nike logo, no Mamba logo, which is, that kind of threw me off. No Mamba logo on either pair, which is weird for the bottom, but you do have carbon fiber right there as well. When it comes to the shoe tree, just your regular standard paper shoe tree. And then for the insole, as you guys can see right here, we do have the same Barcelona patch right there on the insole. It's gonna be a cream colorway with that purple and black for the patch. All in all, in my opinion, I like this sneaker. I feel like people do not like it. And like I said, it is affordable. I don't know if this sneaker is gonna go up in price or not. I do feel like that if you are a Kobe fan, you can kind of respect this sneaker. Like Nike's been doing a pretty good job, and retail was $180 for them. Kobe 4s don't get that much love compared to the Kobe 5s and the 6s, in my opinion. Y'all let me know down below what y'all think about that. But I do think this is a solid pickup. I don't see this sneaker going too crazy in resale or anything like that. They also had the Air Force Ones that did drop, and I didn't go for those. Just wasn't feeling those. I actually like these better than the Air Force One. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions about the Kobe 4 Protro FC Barcelona joints? Do y'all feel like they need to kind of chill out with this stuff? And are you guys looking forward to the Kobe Vault and Kobe Day this year? Because we are in August, and I'm super excited about that, man. I appreciate y'all for tapping in as always. Y'all know the saying, man, rock you like that was hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.